The brain one that like is on the ceiling. The lickers. The one that goes. It looks like that. Bless you. Wait, already two. Sorry, that's two.
Yeah, I don't remember the
played two before. Then don't worry. Oh, I got poisoned by eating a mushroom. Okay.
What? Just eat the cooked ones, people. There's lots.
Bless you. I don't like mushrooms anyway.
What? These ones turn into cooked vegetables.
Okay, fine. I like vegetables.